we are assembling the excuse me, the Jellyfish Easel card. So you have your card base. When you cut, it's like this, and you're going to fold it in half like you would a card, and then this score line you're going to fold up like so. If you don't want it to be an easel card, you can just use your base and glue this piece down flat. Then you just have a flat A2 card that would open from top to bottom. Okay. So we're going to start here with our base. We're going to take, you can see that these coral pieces are opposite each other. So we're going to use this one with the stem that's more to the left first. This one's going to go behind the rock. I love these cards because they are cute and they're really quick and easy to put together. You can definitely work on these with your kids. Looks like this piece of coral did not cut out very well. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this piece here and glue it down. This is our boulder. And then we're going to take our this piece of coral and go ahead and put this on. I'm just lining it up towards the bottom and putting it on the opposite side as the other piece. And then let's put our jellyfish together. Now, there are 2 tentacles that are included, and if you wanted, if you want to add like more depth and dimension, because these you can tell, you know, they're just kind of flat looking. I have enough ink on this, maybe. Yeah. And I'm just gonna define this a little bit. Not much, just a little, just enough to tell that it's a different piece. So you have a longer one and a shorter one. This one fits the outside, and see how that just helps define that they're all separate tentacles. And if you use these, you want to put these on first because they tuck up under the head. And then this one, goes there. Okay. So it's every other one. And again, it's just to give more definition to these being separate tentacles that are hanging down. Okay, and then our jellyfish, we want to put the backing on. Oh, and I have ink on my thumb. That's great. Let's see if I can wash that off. Now the jellyfish looks like her mascara has smeared. And I think I'll use a Papa Dimension. There we go. And then that goes on here, and I'm gonna use foam on this as well. So I'm adding quite a bit of height to this one, but because I've got 2 layers. So I might have to use a chunky A2 envelope, which we have on our site. If I didn't mention it earlier, this is an A2 card. There we go. And he kind of looks like he's floating there. His tentacles are up. And so then this gets centered on this base piece, just like this. So let's apply the glue. Then you just want to center this on here. Okay. All right, now let's pull in our base. So the piece with the score line on it, this is the top. We're going to open that up. And you will have to use foam tape on this because the front of the card will need to rest on it, behind it. And you want to just apply this as close to the bottom as you can get it. And then our base will rest right behind it when we glue this on. So you're going to apply glue from the score line down. And there is our Jellyfish Easel card. Thank you for joining me.